Marapa. This 1 year has been wonderful being with you. Thank you so much. And I will be over and over and over and over. Will you marry me again? And I wrote you a poem. I just want to appreciate you for this year. Life has been wonderful. Life has been fun. You know, we believe in God ourselves. By God's grace, we're going to have more beautiful things to come in the future. Life with you has been wonderful. It has been fun. It has been beautiful. And I just want to appreciate you. 1 year. And we have many more years to go. How many years to go now? Many more years to go. Many more years to go. So I just want to sincerely tell you that I love you and I appreciate you, your personality. You're very fun to be around. You know, your energy is incredible. Incredible. Sometimes I have to catch up with your energy. Huh? You may. There. Kobe Mama. For some. For you. I sincerely cherish you and adore you. And I think you know that. You know that? Or you don't know? So I wrote you a beautiful poem. I'm not as poetic as you are, but I think it's just something to express my sincere love for you. Okay? The title is To My Beautiful Wife on our 1 year anniversary. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? It's our anniversary. Anniversary.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. Our anniversary last Saturday, 33 years.
Woo!
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Oh. Congratulations.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait a
Thank
minute.
you.
It only gets better.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
2 words. What you gotta say? Yes, dear. It works. Trust me.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Yeah. To my beautiful wife on our 1 year anniversary. I can't believe it's already 1 year with you and the sun still kisses the earth. Endless, beautiful stories still unfolding. Beautiful words still spoken. Like your name, Amarachi, is all grace and beautiful. Breeze of unity still bringing tides of love. Like a beacon that never dies. I admire you a lot. I adore you so much. I think you know that. You hold tremendous value to me. Your strength holds the sky. Your embrace, your companionship, your friendship will always be ever desired by me. Kindness comes from you so naturally. You are a true lover and you are a giver. You are considerate. You are kind. You are very fun to be around. So I have to catch up with your energy all the time. You are very intelligent, extremely intelligent, very bright, very brilliant. You are. I watch you work so hard in whatever you put your mind into. They always come to fruition. And that speaks of your resilience and your power and your strength. For this 1 year, living with you is fun. It is not a perfection. Rather, it is like an alchemy towards perfection. My beautiful wife, for some color, anymore. As I want to begin. You are quite creative. With you, productivity is so easy because you are a natural creator. Your love for culture. Oh my God. Oh my God. Your love for culture. Your love for culture. Huh? It's like unlike anything I've ever seen at all. This aspect of you speaks so deep to me. Because that is the person I am too. It has been 1 year, but it seems like a flip of a moment. It seems like yesterday. And I am still in love with you. I want you even the more. I want you more. I want you to kiss me. Prepare, like get ready. Get ready. Yeah. I always love to look you deep, straight in the eye, because I love to see that dream, that passion, that desire that makes the world a better. You always want to make the world a better place. You always want to help people. You always want to make things around you improve. I value that aspect of you so much beyond words. We laugh, we clown around in the house more than my mama will ever think about. Clown around. When I figure difficulties out, you are always there beside me. I appreciate this part of you too. Because sometimes life sucks. That life is difficult. You're always there to encourage, you're always there to support, to nurture, because that's who you are. With every step so far, it has been nothing but good. And I said it from the bottom of my heart. We are finding our center as married couple. You know, because the world is moving, and then we are finding our center in harmony, in unity, together as one. Together, we will write our epic stories. With you, we create a new chapter, established in strength. Unyem, I'm still crushing my African queen, my queen of Sheba, my queen Nefertiti. I love your beautiful sleeping eyes. Do it again. No, your eyes like this. Your eyes like. So, I'm like, Mom, let's chip young mama or something like that. I do my guess. Yeah, you see that eyes, like he's sleeping, like you can't see, but you can really see. How the kids get a full zone. Which one? This one or this one? Yeah. I love your beautiful sleeping eyes, like sunset, like deep amber jewel, burning with primal wisdom. So when I look at you like that, what I see is all this wisdom, very wise. This maternal, this feminine wisdom. You are the embodiment of it. I appreciate that. And you're romantic too. Want me to say how romantic you are? No, I'm not going to say it. I'll keep that to my heart. A melodious blend, a symphony, an orchestra, a mosaic of irresistible attraction. That's how I see you. A mosaic of irresistible attraction. Because to love is one thing, to be attracted is one thing, I'm attracted to you. images for this. I love your rich ebony skin, golden brown, like burnished gold, honey brown skin. It's 1 year and I'm still attracted to you again and again and again. Your twisted dreadlock. You know how crazy I am about it? I love your twisted dreadlock with calories clashing to my touches. Love it. I still like your honey wet sweet liquid sunlight. Oh, Chimo. Okay, Bugomu. Okay, Bugomu. Dripping down my craving sensations. Oh my goodness. You got Bugum kisses. Happy anniversary. I'm ready to do it all over again and again. Thank you for finding the path to my reality. Just
my premium husband. My king, my love, my man. A good husband, a kind husband, a considerate husband, a fine man. A fine husband man. Ogiri is your king. Odogun came. Came on my Agogo. Agogo. Iki Koroto. Odogunabo. Odogunapto. Odogunase. Ogadagiti. Iko. Dimoma. Obim. Ikem. My love. My king. My premium. My heartthrob. My heartbeat. Oh. My special one. My fine one. The best man on earth. The best husband on earth. My considerate, kind man. My intentional man. Intentional husband. Intentional father. A good man. A kind man. My friend. Love. My mentor. My guide. My strength. You know, I call you Ikem. Not because it looks like your name, but because you are really a strength. Everybody on earth sees me as strong, you know, but you see me as me. You are the only one that see me as me. You are the one that knows my struggle now. You are very deep into the cave of my heart. You know them. You see them. You are there. You guide me. You nurture me. You're a helper. You're a lover. You're a kind husband. My movie mates. My playmates. My creative mates. My writing mates. We're always writing and creating and studying. Oh, my lover. There's no bedroom. There's no fun. Yeah. You are my bedroom warrior, my bedroom king.
Oh, my bedroom warrior. What do you mean?
Yeah, you are.
I like that one.
You are my.
So that's my tattoo now.
My sensation.
My bedroom warrior.
Yeah. You are my sensation. You are my fantasy complete. You give me all of the things I never knew I could experience, like the craziness, the love, where, you know, like Akukwe, they just spread in the morning, and those wetness are just dripping from me. Thank you for being a good husband. Thank you for being a good father. Thank you for being so intentional in our marriage. Thank you for helping us in the house and just making things work. Thank you for being a good leader, a good king, a great leader, a great one who really lead in the actual sense of the definition of leadership, and not just the mouth of a leader. Thank you for being a strong foundation at home. Thank you for being the pillar that holds the home together. And that is why fathers are called Idejuru. Thank you for being Idejuru. Thank you for being just fine, just sweet, just open to my craziness, open to my little kiddiness, because this is the first time I'm really experiencing what it means to have your own real person. Thank you for bringing all of your time and putting into this. Thank you for being present. Thank you for being always there, always there. Thank you for taking pictures, billion pictures with me. I know it wouldn't have been something you loved in. Now you have intentionally taken over it and you are just into it. Thank you for making videos with me. Thank you for doing small content with me sometimes when I come bothering you. Thank you for dressing up with me and just take pictures. Thank you for listening to my long gist and blogs and my stories that never end. Thank you for hearing the ideas that I have in my crazy mind sometimes, and you just listen and help me to be together and fine-tune it. Thank you for all of this. And most importantly, thank you for this gift of you, the gift of you as a whole. All of you given to me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for this beautiful, romantic, sweet, long poem. I love it. Thank you for this trip to nature, just the way I want it. It's been some days and days of absolute experience. Experiencing all the elements of earth. We experienced water, land, and even fire, and we still made it. Thank you for all of it. I love it. I love you. I love our union. I love our friendship. I love us being together. I love our intentionality. I love our commitment. I love our friendship. I love our marriage. I love us. I love the way we look in pictures. I love the way we are at home, the way we watch movies, the way we do everything. Thank you. And thank you for all of this beautiful expression like this. I appreciate it. Thank you.